Alright, this is one of the simple secrets I will be showing you in this very video that will help you to become a profitable trader. For some of you that have been struggling to make profit, for some of you that find it difficult to find out a particular candle that will be moving in a particular trend, and especially in a particular time. I've noticed that most forex traders are struggling to see a reversal in the market, for them to pick some few things that will make them successful. That is one of the challenges they're having. So in this video, I'm about to show you one of those things, and I will show you some of the profits that you can make, or some of the profits we have been able to make using this very strategy, because it's very simple and every one of you can do it. If you're struggling, I think this strategy is for you and it's going to help you to build up your account. My name is GDFX, and in this video we are here to help you, we are here to build you, we are here to make sure that every forex trader will smile, and to make sure that your dream of becoming a profitable trader will be achievable. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that you like our videos and share it to your platform so that others will see it. You never can tell whom you can help using this very platform today. All right, let's go to the main thing that why we are here today. Have you noticed that many forex traders are struggling to make profits every now and then? And the question is why? Is it that they don't really know what market is doing, or they find it difficult to see clear entry points in this market? Now look at this thing here. Like, one thing that happened in our chat, I was showing some of my students in our GDFX Guru's home. For those who are in my mentorship scheme, I told them that by tomorrow that will be taking advantage of Boom 500, and some of them believed me, and some that followed me for some period of time knew that I was saying something serious. So the next day I decided to place a trade and allow it to wait, and I was able to transform account of $21 to 150, using only but 4 positions. It is possible, everyone can do it, but the difference is the mentality, the ability, and also your way of trading. We all have different way of trading. Now I have a trend line here of which I'll be using to show you what I need and what I will be doing in this very chart. Right, this is Boom 500, and in this Boom 500 we are picking candles that will trade, and not every candle you can trade. This candle you are seeing here now is a position where everyone that loves to trade will like, but there is something you need to understand, that this candle you see is struggling to move out of this position. Now since it have touched to this place, now there is a possibility that you need to go up to this place, go up to this place again, possibly go up to this particular position. Now when this happens, it may not go as easy as that. It may happen with different candles attached to it, some weak candles, some things like this, stuff like this. Sometimes it's not going to be easy, but most times it works this way. Then when this market now starts coming back to this position, you need to pay attention to what the market is doing, because any candle that breaks out from here gives you an opportunity for you to see what is happening. So where you should be placing your trade is somewhere around this place. Now do you see that? Now, but when you don't really understand what the market is doing, you will enter here believing that it will continue in this position. Most times it happens that way, but in most cases it does not happen that way, because even right here, as you can see, there was a challenge because of this particular thing of which you are seeing here. There was a kind of challenge here before this one moved up to this position. So each time you are thinking of placing trade, it is important you should know when to read when the market is coming back. Like I showed them that this market you see here will be coming back to this particular position, but at some point it obeyed them and they responded to it, and some of them really made money from it, though they did not show me their account, but I know that some of them followed my instructions. So all right, so now what are you going to be doing each time you want to place a trade, and how can this strategy help you? First and foremost, please, you need to place your trend line, which is this one you're seeing here now. Please do where to place your trend line, this one here. Make sure that the trend line will go a long way to touch some of the key areas, key zones in your market. Make sure it will cross the current movement of the market. So when that happens, this is the current move of the market. This zone here, this is the current move of the market. This is where the market once stopped. And now, as you can see, in this market, you can see something here. Let me make this thing to be visible. If you check what this market looks like when you go through the nature of this market from this angle, you check here. This one is lower than this. This one is higher than this one. You see it now. But at this point, this one now is where the market crossed. Then for you to know that there is an opportunity for you to place your trade under scalping, like you want to sell here, check here, you will not see a bullish market in this place. Are you seeing it? There was no bearish market in that place. So the market you are seeing here is bearish. So there was no bullish market in that place, giving you the clarity that this market will be moving. Let me show you something else. As this one touched here, the next candle that came up was this one. There was a bullish presence. Are you seeing it? Even in this place, there was bullish present. Even in this place, there was bullish present. Let me go ahead to show you the same thing, because that is one of the key things I want you to understand in this video. Look at this one. There was bullish present. Look at this one. There was bullish present. Even here, there was bullish present. Please, I want you to take note of this, because it's going to help you to understand. Look at this one. There was bullish present. Look at this place. There was bullish present. This, I mean, in those key areas where you must have marked your key zone, follow it. It's very, very simple. Some of you are waiting for me to show you indicators. I will show you indicators that will help you to understand it perfectly. Now look at this thing. Let it touch here, and once you are seeing this thing, before you know that this market will not continue again, there must be bullish present. So where there is bullish present, what else do? You need to pay attention to the move of the market. Now look at it. There was bullish present. Even this one, there was a bullish momentum in this place. Now I want you to understand this thing. The same thing is applicable to when you want to sell. Are you seeing it? When you want to sell. So as long as the market is moving to a particular direction, mark your trend line. Once there is this red line, which is the bearish candle, is moving, for you to know that it is now an opportunity for you to place your trade, pay attention to it. You will see a bearish presence. So where there is bullish presence after the bearish candle, please don't be in a hurry to expect a continuation of trend in your 1 hour time frame. Now this thing I'm saying now will be confusing, because you will not see this thing exactly the way it is in your 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. So your confirmation should be coming from your 1 hour time frame only, and not every zoom level that you can use to do that. Now look at the zoom. Now look at this thing here. Look at this zoom. You have to zoom up to be able to see the key zone clearly. I'm not talking about you marking just few this thing like this. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, look at it. No, what I'm talking about, for you to clarify this market and see good opportunities, this is what I am showing you. You must pay attention to those key areas, like here. Are you seeing it? Here, because this was how the market was moving at some point. Then when it get to this place, it was not able to. Are you getting it now? So it wasn't easy for it to continue like the way it's supposed to be. But at this very point, this market moved up to a particular. So the market moved up to that particular direction, making it practically understandable that the market is about to change a direction. Are you seeing it? Now let me show you what I mean by my statement and what I was using as an example, as a confirmation to place your trade. Now I told you that since this market has been moving in this particular trend for a period of time, like as this thing has been going to this way, now at this point, for you to know that there is an opportunity for you to expect a move like this, the next candle that will come up will not be bullish, since you are expecting to sell. Take note of this. This is the indicators that you are looking for. This is a secret I'm opening your eyes to see. Now look at it. It's very simple. This one now is a bullish candle. For you to know that there is a conclusion in the movement of the market in your 1 hour time frame, please pay attention to it. The next candle that will come will be bearish. Even if the next candle that came up become bullish, then pay attention to the next candle. Keep waiting until you see that there is a loss of momentum in your bullish or bearish movement, depending on where you want to place your trade. Let me show you once again. This thing moved up from here. This one now was a bullish market, but they lost momentum because of this particular hammer. Then the market continued. But when there was a change, the next candle that came up was this one. Are you seeing it? This is one thing I want you to know. It's very simple for you to understand it. I don't know, even if you have a question, you can ask me your question if you are confused about this. But now you can say, where then do I enter my trade? In as much as you have followed this thing from that very position from here, and you are still counting, then the place you should be placing your trade is once you confirm that it depends on your account. Like for me, once I've seen this loss of this weak candle here, then and this one, I will not place immediately. I will wait to see what this one will look like. But immediately I've noticed that this one ended like this indecision, I will not place my trade. But once I've seen that there is a candle coming up that have crossed this place, believe me, I will place my trade because I know the momentum is not strong. But I will close it after here. Then I will wait for what will happen at this place, of which this is what I will be looking forward to. Some of you will, while waiting for this particular candle here, you may lose out everything, just like what happened here. Some people will place trade believing that it will go this way, then it moved backward. Let me show you what I mean. Some people, some forex traders that have seen this particular candle that moved this way, some of them will say, yes, this candle will move to this direction, only for them to see that this candle moved out and never returned to that place except this place. Are you seeing it? So for some of you that think that the market have taken over, be careful so that you will not be deceived, because what you can see in the market will confuse you, and if you are not careful, it may frustrate you. All right, so let me give you one indicators that you can use to clarify this thing so that it will help you to understand it very perfectly. This thing you are seeing on the screen here now is moving average, but this time I'm going to be using moving average 8, then exponential, remember shift is 0, apply it to close, then I'm using yellow color, and this is what you see. I want you to understand this thing very perfectly. This is what you see. Now I will be adding another one. So that you understand it more perfect. This is the second indicator. This is moving average period 17. Remember, not 21, 17, period 17. Apply it to close. Then please use any color of your choice, which you can see. Then the shift is 0. Then add it up. Now look at this thing. As simple as this, it will surprise you. Now when you are doubting of whether this market have changed direction or not, please use this thing to clarify yourself. Make sure you mark your key support zone and key resistance areas, and please watch your supply and demand in the market. Then use this indicator to clarify everything I've said. Now let me move backward to show you. Look at it. It helps you to see the high and lows in the market. Look at it. It gives you clarity. Remember that whatever I'm doing here is only on 1 hour time frame. The question may be, would this thing, does that mean that I will not use it on any other thing apart from 1 hour time frame? No, your 1 hour time frame should be your confirmed time frame. Then go back to your 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame to place your trade, because that is where you can place your trade depending on your account. Now why did I use this thing? This strategy will help many. Now look at this thing here. Look at this thing, because many of us know about the breakout. Many of us know about the breakout. So just look at it. In any of these key areas, the market won't touch this place. So you don't have to bother yourself. You don't need to worry yourself, because what you will be doing will be very, very clear in that place. Wow. Just look at what we have here. Everything is becoming clearer and clearer. So you don't need to be placing trade when you know that the market is about to close. Why? Because even when you think of closing, the market is showing you don't go again. Wow, can't you see that what you are looking forward to see is already here before you? Just look at it. Once you see that the yellow have crossed, know that something is set for you to place your trade. In any side, if it cross over to this side, know that it is opportunity for sell. When it cross over to this place, know it is an opportunity for you to buy. I wish that some people will be grateful to at least subscribe to our channel because of this free thing I've given out, because I'm not collecting anything from anybody in the name of strategy. Whatever strategy I drop here is free of charge. The only payment you are giving to me is to make sure you subscribe and share videos. And for some of you that feel like giving up on Forex, don't do that yet. I want to encourage you, don't give up now, because Forex trading can help you. Forex trading can build you if you have good mindset. So, and for some of you that are believing that Forex is where you can just come up with nothing and you become something, it's possible depending on who raised you and how much you are using to build yourself. And another set of people that need to work on themselves is those people that believe that once you don't need a mentor, that the only thing you need is to have enough capital. I can tell you that any business you don't learn, you don't know, you'll be using your capital to learn it, and it will be so frustrating. And the funny thing is that some of you are borrowing money to trade. I don't think it's the right thing for you to do, because if you do that, you would definitely find yourself in a way that you may like or you may not like. But as for me, if you believe in GDFX, the only thing I can advise you is to get a mentor, then raise capital, enter market. You would definitely smile. All right, you definitely smile. That is one thing you should do. And I'm giving out opportunity for everyone that want to be mentored by through GDFS. Opportunity is open for you. Opportunity, just chat me up privately and let's discuss. Remember, it's not free, but any kobo you paid, you would definitely recover it. It's a must. You would definitely recover it. Go and ask question. Any kobo, even if you paid $10,000, you definitely recover it under my watch, because I don't easily give up on people. And for some of you that are saying, how long would it take? How long will you mentor me? Go and ask questions. I guide people. I follow people. I don't just wake up and dump you or say it's 1 month or 1 week, because I know that some of you are learning, some of you are working, and up till now some of you have not been able to start making money on forex trading. So what will be my benefit if I charge you for 1 month, and that 1 month you have not had time to talk with me, to have a class with me, then your payment will expire? No, I don't do that. My duty is to guide you, to help you. But remember that I'm a forex trader. I trade like every other forex trader. So when you come up, then let's have a discussion. I will guide you and put you through. GDFS, I so much care about you. If you have any question regarding this video, please chat me up privately or drop your comments. Please be civil with your comment, so that you know that you're talking to a human being, not just abuse us as if you send us to draw video. Thank you so much, and God bless you. GDFS, see you on top. Thank you.